homemade turkey meatballs. Very good and satisfying. Quick weeknight meal. Let me show you how I did it. Hi, friends and family. Welcome back. Tonight we have a quick and delicious dinner. We're going to have meatball subs. And I have some turkey meatballs that I had made and froze and thawed out overnight. And we are going to give those a light little douse of some oil, and I'm going to put it in an oven at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. I've got some spaghetti sauce that I made. We're going to heat that up while the meatballs are baking. And I have a video on how I do my homemade spaghetti sauce if you guys want to find that and check that out. So like I said, not a lot of oil, just a little bit. Want to make sure they stay nice and moist. Okay, so our bread has been in the oven for 5 minutes. We are going to go ahead and our meatballs have been in the sauce, soaking up the sauce. We're going to go ahead and put some cheese on the bottom of our sub rolls here. Any kind of cheese you prefer. I am using Colby Jack here for the bottom. We're going to put some meatballs on our subs here. See how many we can fit on there. Probably about 3. Depends on the size of your meatballs. And you can definitely use the frozen meatballs if you prefer. You might be able to fit a little bit more of those on there. These were made just a little bit bigger. Just continue to do that to each one. It's okay if your rolls break apart on the top and bottom. We're just going to place the tops on them anyway, separately. So the spaghetti sauce has mushrooms in it too. So Okay. So this is what we're looking like so far. Now we're going to go ahead and place just put pepper jack cheese on the top. Like I said, y'all can use any cheese or no cheese, shredded cheese. I am going to place just a little bit more sauce on each one. Okay, now the cheese. You kind of gently push that on the top there. Just like that. Got 2 slices left. I guess that worked out perfect. Okay, so once you get your tops on, you're going to place them back into the oven at 375 for about 5 to 10 minutes, just as long as we're just waiting for the cheese to melt in there with that. So I will be back to show you the final product, and we'll take a test on. Okay, so they cooked in the oven for about 10 minutes. They are good and cheesy, ready to go. Let's put one on a plate. Look at that. The meatballs and the sauce with the 2 types of cheese. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. The whole house smells amazing. Can't wait to try it. Let's go ahead and cut me a piece here. I already had my knife, so I guess I'm just going to go ahead and use that. There we go. It's how. Before I take a bite, if you guys are enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps me reach more people, and I hope you'll try this and leave me a comment down in the, and let me know if you're going to make it. It really make my day. And let's give this a try. Oh my, very, very good. And that was the first time I had made homemade turkey meatballs. Of course, you can use any kind you like. But I hope you guys get to try this and enjoy it. And we will see you again very soon. Thank you.